Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for how to add your video on your particular websites by using proper SEO on page. Then mean by suppose we can making any videos on YouTube channel. We can writing for particular titles and particular description by YouTube channel option. Same video, how we can adding your website proper SEO on page. That is called proper SEO title and proper description. Now we can selecting for this content. For example, here we can selecting this content. First of all, how to add SEO on page in your website, how to index your website. Select this procedure as this search for Google. Okay, this website I'm adding for Rakesh Tech Solution in my website. That option name is called video tutorial. We can go with the video tutorial option. In this option, we have how people will be search will be here. We can a simple steps guide to SEO. We can go for easy SEO tips to boost your website under an hour. So there, how to optimize your website from SEO and conversions. Now click for it. Go to video title. Select your add video. I'm just changing for title option. Index. So here is the index option. Copy this. Next, what is our option? Same as this title, same as description. After this one, what is I'm using this title? Same as this. Take the notepad and a pipe symbol. You will mention by the comma. We can use the comma option. Next, we can copy, add your description. Same, we can use this keyword. In this, you are writing some matter. Give me a second. So we have to write some matter. So that is, here is the option. So the steps you can write and click for submit. Fraction of second will be done by here option. So here something is missing here. That is a video option. So go to video tutorial. First option. So this is the only one problem is called once the uploading video they go to long back. In this video uploading time, don't forget this wrong URL. After this URL, v is equal, we can selecting up to 11 characters. Remaining one, we have to delete it. So any URL, first of all, taking as a notepad, check it out. What are the next URL? We can remove it. V is equal, along with the alphabet, numeric and special character only for 11 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 characters. So 11 characters, we can add it and click for update. Previous video will be not playing. Now we can refresh. Video will be came. So my title will be in this video. You can check it out. Just they're uploading into the page. This is the how to optimize your website from SEO and index. So my title will be how to do SEO on page to your website. So completely I'm changing the pattern. Here website SEO, website index, and optimize your website. These are all your particular keyword. So we can people will be searching here. We have to show your website will be Google position purpose. We have to set up this option will be compulsory mandatory. So those steps you can follow and add your videos on your particular website. Different SEO title, different SEO description, different and SEO keywords. Those steps, 3 steps you can writing for different pattern. So same already YouTube will be there, same writing for your website, nothing will be work out. Same title, people searching will be different pattern. We can use all will be in a particular description and keyword policies. So those steps you can follow adding the video. I'll show one more video. You can see this here. So it is done. After immediately we can do option name is called index procedure will be compulsory. Before index, you have to refresh any particular URL will be 3 to 5 times. How many times? 3 to 5 times. Then the option name is called Control F5. That we have to do for the indexing purpose. Control F5. Now we can go to here, select your particular our website link. Immediately we can do option name is called inspect URL and search it. So this procedure compulsory we can follow for each and every website. Request to index. So it is going to requesting, this is going on. So requesting will be take some time for the 1 minute to 2 minutes time. You have to wait, need patience required for this optimizer things here. Select it and click for text live URL. So every URL will be add compulsory. You have should buy this policy will be to every website will be same. There's nothing to change each and every web pages or website. Compare these steps follow and add your any content on your particular website and index will be compulsory important. Now I can show one more example. Select here. How to set up when Webmaster WordPress website from Google Search Console. So why I'm searching for this title will be Google. What is the best option will be here? That we can use it by in this option. Any title you select from the Google, add your option, add video, select steps. Here, don't forget the URL adding method. We can selecting for up to 11 characters. Title. How to set up Bing Webmaster tool in your website from Google Search Console. Description we can write it here. Same one. Why we can use a YouTube description? We can add in for 2 keywords and 2 description, same method. Add it here. This description comes first add your particular websites. This will be common description. What course of you learn here, everything will be done by subscribe channel and learn more from the blogs onwards. Now click for submit. This is completely different. Set up the Bing Webmaster tools on your WordPress website. This is the WordPress. Don't go with HTML and PHP. Don't give the black hat SEO. This complete different keyword don't use. What are the your thing relevant keywords you can use from here? The research keywords all will be show here. See here how to add your site to Google Search Console to Bing Webmaster. Everything your particular things you have to follow and update the option. So all videos are available into my channel. So we can go easily planning them and follow the videos and update from the your particular website. So what is the setup by analytics, setup by Bing Webmaster to your website, everything your particular options you have to follow the conditions and update your things on your particular website. So those steps you can follow, add your website. Immediately what we can do, this copy this tutorial, it is working. Sorry, I'm not updating here. Click for submit. Now you can start, refresh it, select this option, copy the URL, click for inspect the URL option. This is the steps you can follow always for indexing for a particular URL onto the Google purpose. So update the content to website. YouTube title and your website don't use both are same. Use different relevant title use, but don't go with the other titles. Relevant title use and update the things and post your content from the video related content and update your particular URL and index your using Google Search Console option. If you have any particular questions, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. How we can add it, how we can add updating for SEO on page, title, description, keyword, everything. So in this, you are checking only one thing, proper title and H1 tag, proper description, proper keyword, and canonical URL. You have to check by a particular things. Control U, Control F. First canonical URL, correct. Next H1 tag is correct. Here only one alt tag is missing. This is only for showing for logo. Why? Because we're selecting for YouTube thumbnail images. We are selecting for YouTube thumbnail image. So that is called we don't selecting for alt tag. Header tag is done. H1 tag and alt tag canonical URL is done. So anything your anchor test will given, that URL will given by here. So that is the anchor test. Suppose learn here free, we can click this one. They go to somewhere else. We can go to this option. Simple thing. I'll follow. So we can use by here. Click here. This is writing method. Click here. Dot 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 dot. Hit this. URL complete. Remove it. Click this. We can add by the link and click for in this. So same like this. Learn here. Free blocks. Link. So here we can use them. A particular option. Here, edit a hyperlink. Click this. What we are writing here, how many characters of special. So copy. Simple where it is. That I'm writing for anchor text. Update. Now you can refresh it. There is simple option. There is called click here. So anything will be here. This is the option will be click here option. So video tutorial. We can specially invite any kind of things. You will be easily handling. Simple, you can change will be in your content also. No need to worry. So something will be when you are updating time, you have to change anything. Anything will be change option will be here. Click here. They go to your particular option will be go to your particular channel option. So these are the steps you can follow for each and every website adding for anchor test. So don't forget proper title, proper SEO title, proper SEO description, proper SEO keywords, alt tag, header tag, canonical URL, and anchor text. These are steps will be important. Based on website, alt tag will be something mistake when you're adding for that YouTube video options. So those we can steps will be follow on a particular things. Here is a proper title will be very much of important. Each and every website to will be crawl and show will be search engine purpose. Anything you done immediately you can do for your inspection for indexing purpose. Don't forget this procedure. So if you have any query, you can ask me to my channel and definitely will be help. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.